Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish and wide variety of design ideas of embroidery dress designing. In this collection you are going to see different designs and different style and different patterns of embroidery: hand embroidery suits, embroidery borders, hemline embroidery, embroidery dupattas, embroidery sarees, embroidery motifs, embroidery necklines, embroidery sleeves, embroidery daman border, embroidered ghera, embroidered chalks, and much more related to hand embroidery, like different sorts of embroidery patterns that is all over, decent and delicate, simple, stylish, designer style, heavy embroidery, four corner covered, dupatta style designing, and much more. All you have to do is be patient and stay tuned with me and stay connected throughout this whole video, and you will at the end of this video be amazed and get creative and amazing ideas, and you will make your mind that how you are going to design your summer outfits, your Punjabi suits, your traditional designer Indian wear, your traditional designer Pakistani wear, Asian designs, or any sort of Western, European, modern style and stylish dress designing. You can also make these very beautiful design, stylish, trendy patterns of embroidery onto your frocks, maxis, gowns, onto your shirts, t-shirts, blended stuffs, backless, sleeveless, deep neck suits as well. So I have a very simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And wait friends, don't go anywhere. I have a one more simple request to you, that kindly make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow into a remarkable and large, very beautiful and pretty number of YouTube subscribers and a connective YouTube family. So now we will not drag a long and a very descriptive list of my request. Now let's move back towards the details of the video again. So friends, you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns into a number of ways. That is, these embroidery patterns are two in one. How they are two in one in a way, in a sense that you can use them for making hand embroidery, as well as you can use these for making machine embroidery or much more automatic, digitalized, computerized machines. So the embroidery patterns that you can use are different sorts of all universally recognized embroidery stitches, embroidery traditional patterns like Chinese embroidery, Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, Indian, Pakistani embroidery, Turkish embroidery, and much more. And the embroidery stitches you can use for making these very beautiful and pretty design ideas are like French knot, fishbone stitch, satin stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, lazy daisy stitch, and much more as per your requirements or the knowledge of your hand embroidery stitches. So with this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with a new video in a new content, and up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones. Try to make these designs, follow these, try these patterns. These are highly designer style and very trendy, and you can make them at a very low cost by sitting at your home, and you don't need to concern any type of designer. You can become your own designer by following these very simple designs and beautiful design patterns and classy ideas. So spread positivity and be a cause of positive happiness for others, and meet you soon in a new video. And up till then, keep watching my channel's content, my videos, and don't forget to comment below the video and let us know about your likes, dislikes, or your suggestions or opinions which you want to give regarding our content. So stay blessed and Jazakallah. Hope to see you soon back on my channel.